Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Crabzilla from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. We'll start with the curve across in the middle. Now from both ends, let's curve it down and in. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve up and back over to connect them. Now underneath on the left, let's draw another curved V shape like this. And the same thing on the right. Next, in between, let's draw a curve across. Now let's continue it down on the left and the same on the right. And that's it for the body. Next, let's move up and draw the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw two angled lines up and out. And the same thing on the top right. Now let's close off the tops with a line across. Now let's add the eyeballs at the ends. Let's draw a large oval-shaped curve on the left and the same on the right. Now let's add an oval inside each eye. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop down and add the legs. Let's start on the left side of the body and let's draw a curve out and up. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's hop under and let's draw another line underneath that's a bit shorter. Now from that top line, let's curve it down, in, and then out again. And the same on the other side. Now let's do the same thing inside like this. Now from the bottom lines, let's curve it in slightly, leaving a gap in the middle. Now at the bottom, let's draw a U-shaped curve up and back down. And the same thing on the right. Now let's move inside and add the teeth. Along the left side, let's draw pointed V shapes down like this. And now let's do the same thing down on the right. And then let's do the same thing inside the right claw. And lastly, in between the teeth at the bottom, let's draw a curve across. And that's it for Crabzilla. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!